Open our new arrivals with me. Let's see what we got today. We got a new shipment in from Mila Rose, which you know means cute new twirl dresses. We restocked our happy birthday dresses by popular demand. Something cute in periwinkle. A fun new print. Sizes 2T to 5'6". Now let's look up close at the new arrivals. First we'll start with this cute periwinkle dress. I love this one. It is a new style. It is their polo ruffle collared dress, and it is absolutely adorable. Perfect for back to school. Super cute. Nice new flattering shape. I love it. It would be great with a little monogram or some embroidery on there. Next, a new fun print. Where's my unicorn girlies at? We got a new unicorn print in our twirl dress. Pockets, twirl, it's all there. Stop by and see all the new arrivals. And don't forget the birthday dress.